Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana is still holding at a very high level, high consolidation. Pushed a little bit higher today, but not much higher than I think around about 130. So we talked about that sort of price level already in the last video. We did not quite reach the 139.60 level, at least here not on Binance. Could be that on some other exchanges, maybe. That's sometimes the case, but the 139.60 level would have been the next Fibonacci level, the next, well, ideal target, you could say, for wave 3 in yellow. It would still be great if in the third wave we still get there, but obviously cannot guarantee it, and it's possible that the wave 4 is now unfolding, but I need to see more evidence for that, and we talk about that now. We're still dealing here with this bullish scenario. My bullish thesis is still valid, and also, yeah, basically the price is pushing higher, so it's getting confirmed, basically. The idea is that a larger fourth wave bottomed here on the 23rd of January. We are on our way higher in wave 5. And in wave 5, there are two wave counts that could take us higher. There is the yellow one, which is an ending diagonal. After the fourth wave bottomed here, the fifth wave should be an ending diagonal, and we have a wave 1, we have a wave 2. We have a wave 3. Maybe from here we start a wave 4 and could then get a wave 5. If this is the case, then I am not entirely sure if the fifth wave of that ending diagonal will really reach the $190 target, which the larger time frame count suggests. So there is a little bit of a disconnect between the targets on the larger time frame and the targets on the smaller time frame, because if the third wave doesn't push any higher, then the fifth wave might not reach that $190 level. Maybe we will only reach like 150, 160 in the next move up, but I will look at this in more detail tomorrow. In the orange count, we're still dealing with a larger A, B, C structure. And in the C wave, we have started here the move up with a wave 1, basically watching now for a wave 2 pullback, or in the yellow count, a wave 4 pullback. Then we should get a wave 3, 4, 5. These are two bullish scenarios. They are both valid and they are both reasonable as long as the $105.82 level is holding. Doesn't matter so much if we follow the yellow count or the orange one. Difference is that in the yellow count, once the fourth wave has bottomed and the fifth wave is unfolding, we should see an ABC structure. So might see a deeper pullback along the way somewhere. Then obviously these are two bullish scenarios. It's worth knowing when do we get invalidation. So I already highlighted that the support is at $105.82. That's the lowest, let's say the lowest support level that I can really offer in this bullish scenario. But obviously it's only support, it's not an invalidation point. The invalidation point, which will definitely force another wave count for both scenarios actually, that's here at around $99, no, 1 second, $98.50. So it's this swing low. Below that level, we have invalidation, but ideally we don't want to wait that long. Ideally, we are going to see further upside from that orange support area. Now, it's possible now that this wave 2 or wave 4 has started. However, I need to see a little bit more evidence for that. Why? Because it's possible that we are forming here something like, let me show you, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 3, 4, 5, or even the 3 could be here, 4 here, and we're forming a wave 5 ending diagonal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like an ascending wedge or so. If that's the case, this would be invalidated with a break below that last swing low at $122.60. So that means I need to see a break below $122.60 to suggest that we're coming down in wave 2 or wave 4. As long as we're holding above that level, we could see a little bit further action here, overlapping price action, which could be similar, could look similar to an ascending wedge. These tend to break out to the downside eventually, but yeah, it's basically a sign of exhaustion. We'll see. I mean, at the moment, as I said, it's not confirmed that the top is in place in wave 1 or wave 3 in yellow. That's not, we can't confirm that at this stage. We need to see a break below that level, or we would prematurely confirm something which isn't very clear yet. But hopefully that helps a little bit. I wanted to highlight the levels again. Maybe just once more here. We have $105.82 and $121.11. These are the main support levels, the main boundaries. Again, and waves 2 and 4 both will become far less likely below that level. So if we see a break below that level, yeah, these scenarios will get far less likely and the more bearish alternative will come into play. But as long as the market is respecting the support area, it's all good. That's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.